So this will be the landing page when you first time log in. The basic details are mentioned here, like how to proceed. And in fact, the user manual will be provided to you. You can get a detailed idea about how to proceed. But right now, there are three basic steps here. So whenever you come, the first step is to, after the user registration, the first step is to CGP registration. So whether you have one captive power plant or two or three or multiple captive power plants, you have to add in. Sir, please mute your mic, sir.
Everyone, please mute your mics. We'll continue.
Okay. So the first step is to go to the CGP registration here and add captive generating plant. So when you click here, okay, right now I have not added any captive power plants, so the list is blank. So I will simply add one captive details first. So yeah, here you have to add the details of whatever captive power plants which you have. So this is the registration form, and we are asking you like unit and capacity of each unit and everything. So if your captive power plant is located in the same location like as your industry, you simply click on this fetch registration details. Your entire user registration details will be copied here. So I just clicked, and all the pre-filled details which I had given during the user registration are copied here. If you have a different location, you can like enter the different data here. Like, so I'll just give a name of the captive power plant. My industry name is NIPS Test Bengaluru, and I'll just give a captive power plant name. NIPS Test CG. Okay, I have just given a name, and few of the details are pre-filled here. Again, make sure that in this email you will receive your one-time password. So make sure it is available with you under the sector like private sector. Okay, now we are asking for the location in which the captive power plant is located. So kindly provide the latitude and longitude. So to provide this, you have to click on this open map, and you can search also like Bengaluru and whatever captive plant is there, and you have to locate your location, whatever location is there, and click on this map. It will fetch the latitude and longitude by itself only, like this. It is copied here, like it is copied here. So please provide the location in which your power plant is located. Again, the details of nodal officer is, if the nodal officer is same for your industry as well as your captive power plant, it will be copied here. And now I'll add the unit details. So, sir, can you explain about the type of CGP to them?
Yeah, yeah, Shashwat, go ahead.
Yes.
Any queries with this addition of this CPP details?
Yeah, we have to enter line items.
Yeah, line items, yeah.
Okay.
Sir, I am calling from Tiger Chemical, sir.
Okay. Diesel option you have to select. Then number of units. If you have more than one units, you just add the line items and select the DGs. Okay. If you have more than one DG, you can select the line items and you can add it here.
Okay.
DG also you add here itself. Standby DG. See, everybody is having standby DG only. No? Nobody will have a DG generator. I think. Correct? Everyone is having the standby DG only.
So DG above 500 kVA, we have to mention.
No. This 500 kVA is only for your contract demand. DG any capacity, 100 kVA also you have to mention.
Okay, sir.
Any capacity, whatever DG you are having, to mention the details here. But 500 kVA, kilowatt is only your contract demand.
Okay.
Okay.
So all the DG details you mentioned, whatever DG available with you, you mentioned it. Even if it is less than 500 kilowatt also.
Yes. Sir, if you are keeping it as standby also, we have to add.
Yeah, standby also it should be added in diesel. Yeah, under this CGP.
And voltage level, sir, any voltage level?
Oh, you will have 415 only, no? What else you have? You have any other?
Pardon, sir? Pardon?
No, 415 also only, right?
Yes.
So there is other in this LV only we are operating.
Okay.
So voltage level is need not be mentioned. You just mention the installed capacity, and we will go further about the generation. So till now, any queries? Till this
Sir,
stage?
Balaji Breaks India Foundry, we have 11 kV ST generators, sir. Whether standby generators, whether we have to enter 11 kV.
No, you just install you just mention the kilowatt itself and generation.
We are also doing a power purchase agreement with the power service provider.
No,
So
that
we
we will
have
go
to-
next stage. This is only your generation stage.
Registration.
That we will show in the next stage. This is only
This is
for
only
the-
for in-house DG, am I right, sir?
Only for?
In-house DG sets, which is available
Yeah,
in the
in-house DG set or your co-generation, like in sugar, you have generation.
only inside the premises.
Added like 2 steam and 1 diesel type of like generators, and I'll simply
Yeah.
submit.
This registration is showing for that one location which we have
One
entered
location.
in the top. Okay.
Sir.
All the available generation in that location like steam, diesel, solar, everything has to be added as a line item and it has to be filled here.
Okay. Windmill also.
Okay.
No, windmill will be at different location, right? That you have to separately register it. This will be for your plant location, suppose.
Sir,
Okay,
sir, I have added 1 captive power plant here. If you have another captive power plant at a different location, you have to click on this add CGP again and add 1 more. So it will be listed here.
So this captive power plant is for this address and this location, longitude, latitude, location, na?
Yes,
Which you
sir.
selected. So whatever generating plants are there in that location, you enter it. If it is suppose a wind plant, it will be obviously it will be a different location, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
for that you add again a different CGP and enter the details. Suppose Shashwat windmill also you can show one, na? One second location.
Yes, sir, you can add 1 more.
So just add it, no? Just show them. So one is
Video.
Okay, sir.
We can. How to register this?
no. Everyone, please mute your mics. Only query is there. You just ask.
Sir, one more. In a few months, we are going to install one more TG. Whether I have to add that now itself or once it comes.
No, once it is operational, you add it.
Okay, sir.
Future, we have option. We will show you. Future edition also you can mention it. But timing, you as on now we are showing, na. Till now when it out only you ask. Later on when it comes, no, that time you can ask the query.
Okay, sir.
So
Thank you.
now this registration, what is showing for the second, if you have a windmill, suppose. So you have to enter your address and CGP details here.
Sir, in our power plant we have main 2 units, thermal units. As a backup, we have an emergency.
Drop down type of CGP, na?
Yeah. Yes,
You
sir, we have
select that 2 steam, right? You told steam.
Yeah.
First select 2 steam line items, and third one you select DG. Add.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I am adding 1 more captive power plant here. The
Yeah,
wind
this is the
details.
second captive power plant. If you have a captive at different location.
I will simply copy the OTP also and verify. So now I have like added 2 captive power plants. One is that NIPS test windmill and NIPS test CGP Bangalore. There are two captive
So
plants.
for the single company, in this example, we have shown 2 captive power plants because the location are different. If all the generating plants are at the same location, you can just register one CGP, and under that you can insert the line items and you can mention. So this example we have shown for 2 locations for the same industry. Clear, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. I'll just proceed.
Yeah, Shashwat, proceed.
Okay. Right now, like we have 2 parts. What is form part A, that is generation part, and form part B, consumption part. So I'll once up to this stage, this is the one-time registration process. You have to do it only for the first time when you are onboarding to the portal, that user registration and captive power plants addition. These 2 were the steps, the one-time step. From now onwards, like the form part A, you have to fill it monthly. Your monthly generation data will be captured here.